Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. In this video we'll be looking at toggle buttons, how to create them, and how to use them within our Kivy file. So in case you don't know, a toggle button is a button in which within its group is only able to be on if no other buttons are on. So it acts kind of like a radio button, if you've heard of those before as well. So without further ado, let's just get started. Let's jump right into it. So here I have my main.py file, and we have our two screens and our app. Add those screen widgets to our app or to our screen manager, and then just run the app. We're only going to be dealing with screen 1, so disregard everything we have here for screen 2 for right now. Now that's all we need for our main.py file, so let's head right into our Kivy file. Inside our Kivy file we have screen 1, and we have our name, and we have a grid layout here. It has 2 rows, 1 column, and for one of the rows we have a label with the text toggle button tutorial. So let's run it and see how it looks like right now. As you can see, we just have a single label, black screen, nothing really here. So let's add these toggle buttons and let's add the functionality we need to have it toggle between them. So within our grid layout, let's create another grid layout. Now this one will have 1 row, so set rows to 1 and columns to 3, because we're going to have 3 different buttons. And it's as simple as stating toggle button. It works very simple. It works just the same as a normal button. And then as our text for this toggle button, we'll say button number 1. Let's just copy and paste this for 2 more buttons and let's see how it looks. Alright, as you can see, we now have our label and then 3 different buttons that say button 1, 2, and 3. Now if we click on them, as you can see, it doesn't toggle. As toggle buttons should, we should only have 1 button colored at one time. Now the reason why they don't toggle is because we don't have them each assigned to a group. Because if you're working with a larger app, you're going to want to have multiple different groups of toggle buttons, not just one, so you need to specify which group each button belongs to. So let's do that right now. We'll say group, let's just call this group main. Let's just copy and paste this for the rest. And let's save and run again. Now, as you can see, since they're all part of the same group, they all toggle in between each other. And if we were to change the group of one of these buttons, so say main 1 for button number 2, if we change the group of one of these buttons, as you can see, it does not toggle. Only buttons 1 and 3 toggle. Alright, so that was just a very simple explanation of how to create toggle buttons for your Kivy app. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below or within our Discord channel, which is in the description down below as well. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.